Hey guys, so in this video I want to talk about how to install MySQL Workbench on your Windows device. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first you need to go any of your browser and search for MySQL download, and after downloading you will get this page, MySQL download. So click on that page and you will find this type of page. Just scroll down and you will find the option MySQL Community Edition, and here you can select the MySQL installer for Windows. Now select the version, the latest version 8.0.42, and operating system Microsoft Windows obviously, and you will find the two version, MSI installer 32-bit, both of the 32-bit, and just select the which one is showing the bigger file size. It's 353.7 MB. So select that option and click on the download button, and you have to say the login sign. No need to just click on this button. No thanks, just start my download. So here download has started. Okay, so let's just start the download. So after the download is completed, just 3 seconds left. So yeah, download has completed. Go to the section where the downloaded file has saved. So let me just open the file directly from here and click on the run. So it will be preparing to install. Give it some time. It depending upon your machine, how much it's fast or slow, how much RAM you have. In my device, it's pretty much slow, guys. So thanks for the patience. So yes. Again, click on the yes. And now you can see the MySQL installer 1.6. Okay, so now you can see there are 4 options: server only, client only, full, and custom. Choose the custom option and click next, and here you can see all of the required products that is installed, that you can install on a device. So select the MySQL server, click here and drag and drop this over here. Again select this and drag and drop this over there. Oh, it's not working, so click that arrow, go to the applications, MySQL Workbench, MySQL 8.0. Again use this feature, MySQL shell, MySQL shell 8.0. click that, use this arrow, and it's done. Now click on the next, and here you can see the list of products that I have selected, and click on the execute. And as you can see, it's installing one by one. It will take a bit of time to install. Once all of the product is installed, click on the next, and as you can see, ready to configure. Click on the next. Development computer port 3306, everything live as it is. Click on the next. Use strong password, next. And you have to set the password. You have to remember the password. You can forget the password if after you set that. So choose an easy password. So I'm choosing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you have to repeat the password again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and okay, it's showing weak, but anyways, click on the next. And the Windows service name MySQL 8.0 standard user, leave it as it is. Click on the next. Grant full access, click on the next, and yeah, again click on the execute. It will execute all of the logs. Okay, now click on the finish, click on the next, click on the finish, and it will open the MySQL Workbench. You can see it's opened. Now before using this Workbench, we need to also set the path. So go to the location where you have just installed in the program files, MySQL. Okay, MySQL server bin, and you have to copy this path. Now go into the search for environment variables, click on the open, minimize this portion. Now go to the environment variable. As you can see, double click on the path, click new, and paste the same path, hit the OK. Now okay, now we have just successfully installed the MySQL Workbench as well as MySQL server on our Windows device. So just check that out. So how to verify that it's successfully installed? Go to the search for the CMD, and open this up. Search for MySQL hyphen version and click on the enter. As you can see, it's doing MySQL version 8.0.42. That means it's successfully installed on my device. So after you install the MySQL, let's just open up the MySQL Workbench to see if it's working perfectly or not. So in the start, go into the MySQL Workbench, open it up, and yeah, it's open. Root, click on the root. It'll ask for password. Use the password. Click on the enter, and yeah, it's working fine. Click on the server status. Check the server is working or not. Yeah, the server is also running, so that means it's installed successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this tutorial, give us a like and also subscribe to this channel for this type of more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.